Hello everyone. This session covers the unvoiced sh sound and the voiced j sound, as in judge or page. So let's get started. To make the unvoiced sh sound, bring your mouth and lips forward. Teeth should be slightly apart. Produce ear stream. Words beginning with sh begin with this sound. So are the words sugar, sure, chef, Chicago. Sh at the beginning of words. She, sugar, sure, shadow, sheep, shirt, shoes, sheep, Chicago, chef. Sh in the middle of words. Nation, motion, mission, special, reputation, official, machine, fishing, insurance, sunshine, ocean, tissue, addition, subtraction. Did you notice? TIO, CIA, SSIO, CIA, SH, CH, SSU. Okay, good. Sh at the end of words. Fish, rush, dish, establish, splash, Irish, fresh, finish. Sentences. The fishing trip was planned and we left to go to the ocean. Was the chef ashamed to use the precious sugar? Sharon gave me special performance. She went to a fashion show after taking a shower. She sells seashells by the seashore. The social club was praised for their cooperation. The voiced j sound, as in judge. The voiced j sound is exactly like the sh, except voicing is added. It means sh is unvoiced, but j is voiced. And this is an important sound in American English. J sound in the middle of words. Usual, unusual, usually, vision, visual, conclusion, Asia, virgin, division, casual, television. J sound at the end of words. Beige, message, prestige. Practice sentences. It's not unusual for people to study division in Asia. I usually use a measuring cup to measure erosion. The beige walls were the usual color in the Treasury building. It's usually hot in the summer. It's unusual for me to be late for an appointment. Thanks for listening.